Pula. And welcome to AO Scott 2020. So what are we doing today?
So today's video is we're gonna cook some chicken lollipop. This is my first time.
It's my wife's first time cooking it, so let's see how it goes.
So all the ingredients that you need is on this sink, okay? So we got the sauce, dark soy sauce, some salt, black pepper, sweet chili, that's for the sauce, chili, ground chili, there's white vinegar, cornflour, some fresh garlic, and shallots. Well, I don't have yellow onion, or purple onion, sorry. And we have some ginger and garlic paste, some 1 egg, self-raising flour, or you can use the all-purpose flour. Got some raw sugar, got some chicken wings here, my bowl, my chopping board, and my 2 knives that I'm going to use tonight. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to cut the chicken. Oh, the chicken is so tiny. So I'm going to cut the chicken in 2 pieces. There it is. Look. Oh, that's why I need a bigger knife. Cut it. So that's 2 pieces. I'm going to cut the wing off because I don't need it. And I'm going to shape this as a lollipop. Make sure the bone is clean. Oh, look at that. Is that how I do it? I think so. So that's 1 down.
Just a quick update.
Okay, I'm gonna marinate. I'm gonna have a 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce, yep. So 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Half teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar, so that's half. Tablespoon of chili powder, but it's totally up to you. How much you put in, sorry. So 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to have 1 tablespoon of this, and 1 tablespoon of this. It's garlic. And add pepper. Again, totally up to you how much you want to put in. And then salt. Same as salt. Okay. So we're gonna marinate this. So this is marinade. We're gonna marinate and leave it for 30 minutes. So we're gonna add in some self-raising flour, or you can use all-purpose flour. So we need 3 tablespoon of this self-raising flour.
And this is after 30 minutes.
Yep. So let's it looks like a small spoon, but that's 3. And a 1/4 cup of corn flour. Oh. Again, we're going to add a little bit of chili powder. Oh, it's going to be really spicy. 1 egg. So 1 egg and a pinch of salt because we add. Yeah. Oh, and then we're gonna mix it. Deep fry this first one. We can use a different oil because Mom just finished cooking, so we're gonna use this oil instead of wasting it.
They fry till golden brown.
Yeah. And to see if the chicken is cooked.
Look at that chicken lollipop. Master chef, eh? So just a quick update. This is how much I've cooked so far.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I'm gonna add some oil to cook the onion.
What are we making now?
We're gonna make the sauce for the
Chicken lollipop.
So in here I have chopped, so this is all fresh. Chopped garlic and shallot and chopped onion here. So I'm gonna add that in the pan. Oh, and I add sugar, one teaspoon of sugar in here as well. And this is golden brown, you add onion. So once the onion golden brown, then I'm gonna add in the sweet chili. So I'm gonna add in 3 white soy sauce. We didn't find the tomato chutney, so we used the sweet chili instead. A little bit, that's quite a lot of onion. Then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. teaspoon of vinegar. Add in the cream flour, the cornflour, mixture, and mix it up with water. Squeeze in some tomato sauce. Add the chicken in.
Ready to eat?
Just a lot.
Alright, there we have it. So there's chicken lollipop.
Ooh, I
let's
eat it.
Taste it.
Okay, you go first. Because I cooked it, so you go first.
Okay. Let's go.
How is it?
It's really good.
Let me
10 out of 10.
let me put one. Ooh. Thank you, my baby. Yeah. Oh, it is nice.
It's like better than the store.
Check with the description below
Yeah.
how to make it.
Alright, so put all the instructions in the comment down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And we'll see you in the next video.